What's up, Crackers? It is Lucas here. One, don't mind the tweaker lamp. Okay. It is dark outside because I have a son. So the only time I get time to do anything is after it's dark. So basically, what's going on today is old JoJo has been recording more. So why don't I start recording more? We're at my house today. Give me one second. Guys, we are in fact ignoring my mess, playing with the 240 again. Nothing was wrong with this. I just didn't like how I did stuff the first time. As you guys will see, I'm probably gonna do all the time. So we have no room to work. More info later. So basically, last time y'all seen this, it was parked here in the same spot. Just less of a mess because we've had a hurricane and I'm just lazy. So basically what happened was it was just sitting here because insurance is wild for a young man like me. So basically what happened was I kept popping the hood to because I broke this fitting right here. This used to be a fuel pressure gauge. Couldn't find the right. Basically, I broke it, filled in this. I was like, hell yeah, it's enough. But in the meantime, I was like, wow, this thing looks like crap. I'll throw a picture up right now of what the engine bay looked like. And basically, I wanted to tuck the harness. So, again, don't mind I rush. That's really my biggest problem, is that I rushed the first time. But yeah, I wanted to tuck the harness. So I didn't feel like tucking it how you're supposed to do it, and tuck it under the dash, so it's tucked up here. No, this is not the final position of it. It's going to be tucked up here. I can show you a little bit better on this side. I can tuck it up under the headlight, since my headlights don't even work anyway. And it's going to be covered by this bumper. Oh, man. When did that happen? I didn't even know that. Anywho, it's going to be tucked. And basically the whole goal for this thing right now, because it runs, it drives, it isn't perfect, but runs and drives. So my whole plan now is to basically just make it a lot prettier, and instead of just doing this and by myself and me being the only one who knows about it, figured might as well take you guys along with me. So basically my goal for this video is to I got this right here off eBay. It was like $10. I got 15 rolls. This is flame retardant harness tape. So as you can see, I already ran it on some things, but basically, we're just prettying it up. We're gonna get this one all nice and pretty. We're probably gonna relocate this ground so that it's not up here. Gotta figure out a way to mount all these wires in a spot that is not in your face, not ugly. All of this goes to the transmission. And then we'll just go from there. We're just basically, all we're doing is making the car or the engine bay just a little bit prettier for probably no reason at all. Alright, y'all, so for right now, I am going to be 100% honest with you, since I don't have a battery in this car. I am pretty sure I do not need this. Pretty sure. I would like to get rid of it because of the simple fact that that is just a cluster, like a straight clusterfuck right there. Alright, y'all, so I pulled this off just to make it a little bit easier for me to get around. Alright, so basically, let's see if I can prop you guys in between my knees. Need a micro screwdriver, preferably a flathead, but I'm an asshole. And if you look right here, there's just a little clip. Pry that thing up. There is another one down here. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard for me to see it. Show y'all and do everything. God damn it. Get on the ground. I don't know if y'all can see anything or not. Pry it up and push at the same time. And there is one more up top. Okay. So, once you do that... Oh, damn it, I dropped it. So, once you get to this point, obviously you gotta pull the relay out. This one, don't even know what was there, but nothing's there now. So if you look, let's see if I can show y'all. If you look right there, there is in fact just a little clip right where the tip of the screwdriver is pointing. If you just get in here, pry up against it. Once you pry up against it, I did it already on this one. It just pushes out. And then you get in the back and just push it on up out of there. So, and basically, the wires are only long enough to really go one place. Oh, covered you up. I need a tripod. But wires are only really long enough to go one way. So, also, this is also a little hack to get these relays out. You just shove that in there. Pull. Whoop. Simple as that. So, I'm gonna do that to all of these real quick so that I can get this little fuse box off so I can shove most of this back through there. Oh, back through there. And wrap it all up again. Now, yuck. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I should have looked at this before I started recording. Now I reckon I'm gonna pull off this loom. Ooh. Alright, y'all. So, that took a lot longer than I thought, but, I probably could have left the loom on there. But, I live by a rule, and it's, do it right the second time, so you don't have to do it a third, you know what I mean? So, now, nothing really. I'm just gonna jump again, and this will all be wrapped up. All right, y'all. Don't mind my whining. I am still freezing, but I did in fact wrap it all, and I also came to the conclusion that I absolutely hate myself, because why would I? This is my third roll on this section, but all of this to make it look a little better. And crazy thing is, did all this, no one's gonna see it. I'm just gonna know about it. But let's get her all nice and tucked up how it's supposed to be. Alright, well, that one didn't land in the right spot. But, to be honest, shouldn't really matter. Come on, come on. Ah, yeah. So nice, so pretty. Okay. Yeah. Well, at least it's all wrapped, I guess. So, also, didn't really know how I was supposed to do that part because I can't really get in there. So, don't look too hard at that spot. But, let's go ahead and put this fuse box back together. Alright, y'all. So, as you can see, harness is all wrapped up. Fuse box put back together. But I'm going to make this a two-part video because it's cold. And like I said, I got Crocs with no socks. So, I will introduce y'all to the newest addition to the channel. This is my new to me 89 Nissan 240SX. It is a shell, but that don't matter. So, story behind it is I bought a BMW E46, an 04, I believe it was. And this guy hit me up and was like, hey, I got this 240 shell and $500 to trade. So I was like, $200 for a 240? Hell yeah. So I knew it had Z32 brakes, right? And I don't know if I can get back here far enough for y'all, but it does have a Beer Money Bob angle kit on it and some coilovers. Came with the body kit, but that's not staying. More than likely, it's gonna go on this car. It's pretty bare, but for $200, you know, how can I really complain? Very little rust. There's a diff. Since it's out, it's gonna get welded. So the plans for this car are, once the funds get back out, I bought a 302 to drop in it with a T5. I got the motor. It's just waiting right now for the funds to get back up, like I said. So yeah, I don't have a name for it, but if some of y'all want to come up with a name, go ahead, drop it in the comments. But yeah, alright y'all, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't know how you really could, because it's just me wrapping a harness. But if you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you didn't enjoy it, leave a like. Leave a comment on a name for the new 240, or tell me to not quit my day job and quit making YouTube videos. I don't give a shit. Just leave a comment. But alright, catch y'all next time.